The cable has been prepped to 111 inches. The outside reverse oscillation was the midpoint. We've removed the violet tube as our branch tube for this demonstration. This particular cable was dual layer. This video will be applicable for both dual and single layer cable. What you want to do is you want to have your branches unbound all the way to the point of entrance, have them separate and isolated, have your Velcro preloaded. You want to preload it slightly down from the top in all three locations to leave room for your branch cables. Start our first figure 8. Let it fold in place. Be careful not to trap branch fibers. And finally, your third. At which point you begin to dress. What you're looking to do is bring the tubes down from the top to allow room for branch. Start with your sides. This can be done with Velcro or with cable ties. Have one side done. Go to the next side. I will typically leave the lower Velcro point for my final dressing. That is 288 fibers at 12 fibers per tube, installed in Apex at 111-inch mid-sheath. Once the tube has been prepped, installed in Apex, 111 inches will leave you enough access for any splice in the tray, as well as adequate access for your splicer as well.